Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to review a brand new website that is tronapp.in. So guys, I will provide the link of this beautiful platform in the description of the video so that you can go easily there and click on the link and able to see such type of interface. Okay, so guys, first of all, I want to tell you how to set an account on this beautiful platform. For that, you have to simple enter a username here like this. Okay, that may contain some numbers and alphabet also, and then you have to enter a password here like this. Okay, you can enter of your choice. Then you have to enter mobile number here with the code like this. Okay, then simple enter here your email id. Okay, then like this. Okay, then click on the simple register now button, then you will be successfully registered. Okay guys, so first of all, you want to know like how to log in on this platform, then click on the login button. If you have already account like me, then click on this, and you can see to active the account you have to deposit the 5 trx, and the minimum deposit of 100 trx is recommended to receive benefits. Okay, so guys, try it on your risk. I'm not responsible anything here. If you lose your funds, okay, that may be financial risky for you, so try it on your risk. So now I'll tell you how to deposit on this platform. First of all, you can see here's 9000 trx. Here is for experience, but you cannot withdraw any single coin from this platform. So simple click on the withdraw deposit button, then simple click on the transfer to basic account button. Okay, to deposit like this. Okay, then you will see some type of interface. Okay, you have to choose that coins like ethereum and trx, and also so choose trx or whatever you want. Then you can recharge with this qr or simple copy this address. So I'll copy this address simple, and I'll go to my wallet like this. Okay, then I have to single click on the send button, then paste the address here like this, and I have to enter the amount. Okay, I am going to recharge with the 100 TRX. So guys, try it on your rest. I'm not responsible anything here. If you lose your fund, then click on this and confirm your button, then enter your password here like this. Okay, you have to enter your password, then click on the confirm button, then it will be successfully confirmed. Then click on this and simple copy this address and go to your wallet like. After copy the address, you have to go like this, then click on the submit successfully button, then you recharge usually successfully. Okay, then it may take some seconds. Now you can see here is 9100 trx is here, then it will be automatically going to your investment. Then if you see here like this, you can record it briefly here like this displaying. So I'll wait tomorrow to how so that I can show how to withdraw from platform for, so you have to wait for that. Now 24 hours is completed. Now also how to withdraw from this platform. For simple click on the mining button, then receive your mining income like this 90 rx, which I have received. And after that, you have to click on the withdrawal button simple, and you have to add your digital currency wallet at the once, and you have to enter the wallet simple like this, and then you have to enter a password like this. Okay, then confirm the password, then click on the continue button. Okay, then you have to enter the amount like this and enter the password that is like that may be of your choice like this, and click on the withdrawal button, then your withdrawal will be succeed. Okay, then you can see here is the pending, and it may take some second. After withdrawal, you can see like this, I have received my wallet in my wallet like this. Okay, when you see like this, I have received 3 TRX like this 90 RX. Okay, which is nearly $0.1, and you can see here will be your share link like this. Simple copy this address, and I will provide in the description of the video so that you can my team, and you can see you can share with your Facebook and all these things, and you can get income. But guys, try it on your risk. I'm not responsible anything here. Here will be your team like this. Okay, and after that, you can see here is some global partners, Azirax, CoinDCX, and all these things will be here like this. And you can see here the Justin Sun, our founder of the Tron, and which is talking about this. Okay, then you can see here will be our mining. I've already explained, and here will be your mining, and here will be record like this. And here is your share link. I've already explained about that. Simple copy this, and you can share by this QR. Okay, deposit and withdrawal button is also available here. If you have any query, then you can connect with the contact the support which is mentioned, and here is the guide for you like this. If you have anything like that, then you can contact. Okay, here is your friends. I have already explained about that, so I think I have already explained all these things. Here will be all the notification about the system and all these things. So guys, thank you for this watching the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe my channel.